So I forgot to do any kind of pre-demos on this. Anyway, I thought it's just a little demo of glazing. So I've got this colour here, which is called manganese blue, and it's beautiful. And once the thing I'm glazing is completely dry, you just use a bit of medium, and there's some of the blue, and you get this very rich. It just makes it very, very... I've already done it with the orange there, so now I'm doing it a bit with the blue. And the nice thing is, provided you've let it dry properly, you can kind of, if you overdo it, you can just wipe it off again. Oops, that was me just about to overdo it. Yeah, so it's just how you sort of can enhance certain colours. Very much used by the old masters, so therefore it must be good. And they didn't have liquid and all the things we've got nowadays, so we're luckier. Much easier for us. No one should ever complain. So there you go. So suddenly he becomes even more bright. Oh, let's just do his head. So yeah, basically a glaze is a transparent layer, which if you've already got a nice layer on underneath, I've already done it on this one. Have I done it on that one? Oh yeah, I've done it on that one as well. I haven't done that bit though. Right, but the same thing, I've put a sort of a yellowy colour over the over the bird itself, which has now made it completely vibrant orange. And now I'm going to try and finish the rest of the painting.